Very good morning, students. I hope you are all doing good, and I think you are all very enjoy to celebrate the Deepavali also. Okay, students. Now we are going to study about History Unit One, Vedic culture in North India and Meghalith culture in South India. Okay, this is new chapter, and in this lesson we are going to study about to know the origin and migration of Aryans into India, to understand the evaluation of political, economic and religious structure in Greek, Vedic and later Vedic societies, and then to identify the sources of study relating to the Vedic age, and then next thing is to locate the regions inhabited by both early and later Vedic people, to make the difference between early and later Vedic period, and finally to understand the megalithic Iron Age culture in Tamil Nadu. So these things we are going to deeply study in this lesson. Okay, and first one is Vedic age. This is the first phase of urbanization in India come to an end with the decline of Indus civilization. Okay, so the Indus civilization or end period தான் the Vedic age. Okay, so end period after that the Vedic age is the new era is started. Okay, students, and then in this new era is began with the arrival of Aryans. Okay, so Aryans oda arrival க்கு அப்புறம் தான் Vedic age அப்படின்ற ஒரு new era start ஆயிருக்கு. Okay, and the next one is Vedic age. It's a period in the history of Indian between 1500 before common era to 600 before common era. It gets its name from the four Vedas. Okay, so this is very important. This four Vedas name is Rig, Yajur, Sama, Atharva. So these four Vedas names. Okay, students, and then who were the Aryans? Okay, so the Aryans were Indo-Aryan language speaking. Okay, so the Aryans are speaking Indo-Aryan language they are speak, and then semi-nomadic pastoralist, and then they come from the Central Asia. Okay, so the people are come from Central Asia in the several waves of migration through the Khyber Pass in Hindu Kush mountains. Okay, and then the main occupation of Aryans is cattle rearing. Okay, cattle rearing is the main occupation, and then they also practiced slash and burn agriculture. Okay, slash and burn agriculture is nothing but it is one of the because they are moving one place to another place. Okay, so they are not settled in the same place, they are moving one place to another place. So that time they are settle the place. Okay, எங்க அவங்க செட்டில் ஆயிருக்காங்களோ அந்த இடத்துல என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னா அங்க இருக்கிற மரம் செடி இதெல்லாம் ட்ரீஸ் அண்ட் பிளான்ட்ஸ்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, அவங்க அதை வந்து க்ளீன் பண்ணிட்டு அந்த இடத்துல they are start the agriculture. Okay, so that is called slash and burn agriculture. So அது முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறமா they are move on to the another place. Is this clear for you, students? So that is slash and burn agriculture. Okay, today class is over. Today homework is four Vedas names. Memorize these four Vedas names and who were the Aryans. Thank you, students.